in the northern part of the city of Turin, exactly in Falchera neighbourhood. So welcome in Cascina Falchera. Cascina Falchera is an old farmhouse owned by the Municipality of Turin and run by the social cooperative Consorzio Kairòs. Cascina Falchera is part of the Desire project because our ambition is to develop a biodiversity hub where people can explore and experiment the connection with nature. We have a lot of projects and activities like educational services, and within the Desire project we have the water saving camp.
The water saving camp was a series of workshops open to the citizens, especially young people, focusing on water, how reconnecting the city with nature, and the importance of water for the historical identity of the neighborhood, but also, and more than this, for the future development of the area.
My name's Giorgia. I live here in Falchera. I was born in the city center of Turin. So actually I decided to participate to the water saving camp within Desire project because I really felt the need to doing something for my area, for the place where I live in, and actually doing all the different activities, the journey around the topic of water was an inspiration and an opportunity to think about what could be for Cascina Falchera, for the area of Falchera.
Involving young people in this kind of reflection with our labs, with the water saving camp, was important to make them understand the importance to preserve this resource by the beauty of being together, exploring the area, gardening together, and making ideas for Cascina Falchera and Falchera neighborhood.